Hi sir, my name is Durgarao. I am from ECA section. My roll number is 20BQ180431. Today my seminar topic is preparation of inorganic nanomaterials by sol gel method. First, we should know what is nanomaterials. The materials which are fall into nanoscale, that is 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer, is called the nanomaterials. Now, preparation of inorganic nanomaterials by sol gel method. This method is exclusively used for the synthesis of inorganic nanomaterials, that is nanometallic oxides. For example, TiO2, ZnO, ZrO2, SiO2 and etc. This method is also well known as a wet synthesis because these all reactions are carried out in aqueous phase. Aqueous phase. In this method, particles are suspended in solution are settled down as integrated networks as gel. Hence, this method was known as sol gel method. This method is sol gel method. Sol gel method involves the following steps. First one is hydrolysis, which is known as formation of solution. Second one is condensation, which is known as a formation of a linear chain polymer. Third one is cross-linked condensation, which is known as a formation of integrated network, or which is also known as 3D network, also called gel. Is called gel. Fourth one is egging. This is completion of galation. And fifth one is the final step is drying. Which is a formation of inorganic nanometallic oxides. First one, for example for the sol gel method, preparation of nanosilica SiO2 of N. First one is the hydrolysis of alkoxysaline, formation of solution. Alkoxysaline. Here alkoxysaline is reacted with H2O, 4 moles of H2O, then 4 ROH is removed and form salinol, which is insoluble and suspended in water, which is also called solution. In a hydrolysis form a solution. Second step is condensation. In condensation, formation of a linear chain polymer. These suspended molecules may associated and undergoes linear condensation yields a linear chain polymer. Selenol is reacted with selenol, then H2O, water is removed, form a H2O here. Here H2O is formed, H plus OH, then form H2O. H2O is removed, then form this chain. Then the third step is cross-linked condensation, which is also called a 3D network as gel. Gel is formed in cross-linked condensation. These linear chain polymers are associated and undergoes cross-linked condensation. Finally, else integrated networks are known as gels. Here gel is formed finally. Here this is the nanosilica. This is the gel. And fourth one is egging. Stay for some time without disturbing the solution for completion of galation. For some time don't disturb the solution for completion of galation. The final step is drying, formation of inorganic metallic oxide. Finally, we obtained the nanometallic oxide. The gel is evaporated to dryness to get inorganic nanometallic oxide SiO2 film. Finally, the inorganic nanometallic oxide is formed. Thank you, sir, for the given opportunity.